Meaning of dry.
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 Dry. The term dry can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, it refers to something that is not wet or moist. For example, dry weather means there is no rain or moisture in the air. Dry skin lacks natural oils and can feel rough or flaky. When referring to alcohol, a beverage that is dry has less residual sugar and is not as sweet. A dry sense of humor is characterized by a witty, sarcastic, or understated style. Ultimately, dry typically suggests a lack of moisture or emotional intensity.